channel, Home with Kimberly. Today I thought I would take you along with me as I cook up one of my Hello Fresh meals. It's a monthly meal subscription box that you can get. My husband and I have been getting it for a few months now and have really been enjoying it. So I thought I would show you everything that's in there and prep it and cook it and show you the finished product. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and let's get started. Okay, so HelloFresh always sends the ingredients in these paper bags. The meat is packed separately, so I'm just going to pull everything out of here, and I love how it's just everything that I need is right here. I don't have to shop, I don't have to think, just pull it out and make the recipe. Okay, so as I got my meal out to prepare it, I realized that I do not have my recipe card for this meal. This is the Korean beef Bibimbap meal. I think I said that wrong. And I must have thrown it away, so not obviously this. I just made myself a sandwich. But so I'm just showing, this is an old HelloFresh card that I had, so I just want to show you what they look like. It shows you, you know, what it is, and it tells you like all the ingredients, and then on the back, it tells you everything that you'll need to start, all the ingredients, what to use, and they give you enough, depending on if you order on 2-person or 4-person, it tells you the amounts, and then it gives you step by step the instructions. Very easy to follow. So I am going to be using my husband's phone, and I looked up the recipe. Thankfully it was out there, so let's get started cooking this Korean beef recipe. So the first thing I'm going to do is start some water boiling in a pot and put a little salt in there. This is for the rice that came with the meal. Next, I'm going to chop up my produce, my mushrooms, and my zucchini. Next are the green onions, and you do need to separate the whites from the greens. I am now going to shred my carrots into this bowl. And now I'm going to mince up my ginger and my garlic and set those aside. And then I'm going to add my white wine vinegar to my white onions. To this next bowl, I'm going to add my sesame oil, part of my soy sauce, some sugar, and some of the sriracha sauce. Next, I need to add a little bit of olive oil and my carrots to the saute pan and just saute those for a few minutes just to get them softened. I'm going to go back and add a little more oil to the pan and add in my zucchini and get those softened, and do the same thing with my mushrooms after that. Now I'm going to add some more oil and put my garlic and ginger in the pan and let that become fragrant for about a minute, and then add in my beef and get that nice and browned up. And now I'm going to add in my remaining soy sauce and let that evaporate out. And here comes the fun part, plating. I'm going to add the rice first and then add the beef on top of that. Next, I'm going to layer on the zucchini and carrots and mushrooms. And then it's time to top with the white vinegar, onions, and finally top it off with the green onions and extra sriracha if you would like a little more heat. I have to say this is one of my favorite HelloFresh recipes that I have received. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I have lots of great content that I will be putting out, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!